Hey everyone, it's me again with a new video update. I haven't posted for the last couple of days because I was busy battling a very specific bug which I found in Habit Pixel on the Android version. This happened just as I was planning to release a new version on Friday. This is the second time in a row that I find a big bug just before a release. And this delayed the whole thing until yesterday when I figured out what the bug is. It's a very specific bug. It only happens on Android 13, and it only happens if you're using a flat list. For those of you who are very familiar with React Native, you would know that flat list is just a component in React Native. So the bug happens in Android 13 when you're using flat list, but in an inverted way. So if you see at my screen right now, right on the phone, you can see that I have this bottom calendar, and the way it scrolls is inverted. So you have to scroll from right to left. And the issue only occurs when this flat list is animated. So when you scroll up and down, right, in the list of habits, as you scroll down, this calendar animates in and out of view. And that bug only shows when you're on Android 13, you're using an inverted flat list, and that list is animated. So what would happen on Android 13, and in that specific case, is all my animations would bog down after just a couple of seconds of opening the app. And it would cause ANR's application not responsive on Android. It would cause the app to hang, and for Android to want to kill the app. I've been very perplexed because I introduced the calendar a couple of releases back, like the calendar based on flat list, and I've steadily started seeing ANRs in production for some time, but I couldn't pinpoint out what exactly was causing those ANRs because when I was using the app, I didn't see the issue, right? I'm testing on two phones. One is an old Samsung Galaxy S8, and then I've got another one, which is a Pixel 4a. And the Galaxy one is the one I'm primarily testing these days. And I know it's running Android 9, I believe, but the Pixel is running Android 13, and that's where it started showing up. And once I figured out, what the issue was, I went online and started looking for solutions, and I stumbled upon a thread on GitHub, React Native's GitHub, and there was a pretty straightforward solution there, not to use the inverted prop on the flat list, but instead to just pass some stars which inverted the look of the flat list. And that solved my issue. It was down a rabbit hole the whole time. I had to try to pinpoint exactly where the issue was. I initially thought the issue was with Reanimated, which I was using for animation. And I went down this wrong way for quite some time. And then I started stripping down components from the application until when I stripped away the bottom calendar, I saw the issue was no longer happening. And that's where I got the clue, this is what the issue is. All in all, the issue is resolved. I've made extraordinary performance improvements in the app. I'm finally ready to release version 4.5, which includes a new Skia-based renderer for the grids, a lot of performance improvements, a lot of bug fixes, and hopefully this version is stable now, and I can, move on with the new features I have to build into the app. That's all. Take a look at the new version of the app. Let me know what you think about the performance, and take care. I'm gonna catch you in the next one.